Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you about a great trade-in we just acquired. It's a 2018 Coachmen Freedom Express 279 RLDS LE. It's Liberty Edition. It's got some really great features that really set it apart from a lot of other stuff of its length and of its weight. You have a really nice front cap that covers over so you don't have any stress points off the front, and you have right here some really great hitch lights for you to make hitching up onto your coupler really easy. Plus you have a 5-point stabilizing system here. Push button makes each point really easy, and so they work independently of each other and not in pairs as a lot of electric stabilizer jacks do. You walk on the side here, you notice the thickness of the walls on this. Really thick walls means really great insulation, plus a ton of storage space in here. If you give a little peek in there as well, they give you an outdoor table to make sure you can make use of this outdoor space. Magnetic latches instead of flange latches, plus slam latches for your doors. Huge awning here. A little space for a canister stove in there as well. It just tucks away, hides away really nicely and easily. And then you walk inside here and we have a lot of good living space. You have a great radiant barrier for four season capability in this guy too. Aluminum frame, really sturdy, lightweight, is still at this length, the 28-foot floor plan length as well. You walk in, there's a lot of windows wrapping around this entire space, makes it really bright. One of the things that Coachmen Freedom Express does is that they pay a lot of really good attention to your detail, your cabinetry, and the aesthetics inside. You have two big plush recliners here, and it's facing your media center. A great thing about the media center, Furion system, Bluetooth capable, you can cast anything from your phone, your iPad, your laptop directly to it, plus auxiliary plugins, USB plugins as well, to make it really easy to use with any other media you have on hand. Electric fireplace saves on a lot of liquid propane to heat up your space, and just plug it in and you're ready to go. Big U-shaped dinette. As you can see, when you turn it into a bed, it's going to turn into a really big bed. So if you want to accommodate some extra sleepers after you're done lounging, you really have the ability to do so. Plus drawers under that, and drawers over here as well. Really deep storage. Big refrigerator, three-way refrigerator, and a lot of deep counter space. Solid surface countertops, and they do the smart thing of giving you a cutting board to turn that stovetop space into extra usable space as well. And let's come along here and check out the bathroom. Really big shower. Glass shower, one of the bigger showers you're going to find in any trailer across the board. Gives you a seat. You also have some extra counter space and some stabilizing space here for anything you need to keep at hand in the shower. A nice actual medicine cabinet too. Step flush on your porcelain toilet, and you still have hanging space there right at hand. And as you notice, you're still keeping windows, which is smart, so every single space is getting the light it needs. You have a cover that's covering over your vent right above the bed. You can actually take that off and open up the space so it gets brighter too. Ton of space on either side for storage. Also, anything you need to keep at hand or plug in. You actually have USB chargers right up top there. There's storage underneath the bed as well, so this space can really accommodate quite a bit in storage and keeping things at hand while still giving you movability around. If you have any questions about this unit or any other unit we have on lot, stop on by and say hello, or call 773-655-7190 and ask for Jake.